Hi, for this video, what I want to do is show you an application of the Pythagorean Theorem. In this case, we're going to find the height a wire is attached above ground. So what we have is a radio tower supported by two wires that are each 150 yards long and are attached to the ground 90 yards from the base of the tower. And we want to know how far above the ground the wires are, where they are attached to the tower. So the first thing that we should do is kind of draw a picture. We have a tower. It doesn't have to be a special drawing, but we have a tower, and on this tower we have wires on both sides that are attached to the ground. So if we label the information that we know that they are 150 yards long, and they're attached 90 yards to the ground from the base, and we're trying to find this side. So what we end up having is a right triangle, and with a right triangle we can use the Pythagorean theorem that says a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The only variable that matters is c. It has to be the side that is opposite of the right angle, so the 150 yards is opposite. So it doesn't matter whether we call this a or b. I'm just going to go with a as the unknown, and then we're going to plug in 90 for b, and for c we would use 150. And then from there we just simplify. So I have a squared plus, when I square 90, I end up with 8,100. And when I square 150, I end up with 22,500. And from there, we would just solve. So I'm going to subtract the 8,100. And I end up with a squared is 14,400. And if we take the square root of that, we end up with a nice answer where it goes in exactly. And we see that it's 120 yards. So we can answer the question using a complete sentence saying that the wire is attached 120 yards above the ground. As always, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. If there are additional topics you would like me to cover, please let me know that as well.